I will present the COVID-19 by Adela Point. Its scientific name and what it is. The COVID is a virus, and its scientific name is SARS-CoV-2. Its physical characteristic is that its form is round, it has small particles attached in clumps, also it has red and orange spikes on the surface, and it measures between 50 nanometers and 140 nanometers. Its behavior characteristics it is that it is spread with droplets from an infected person in the air or on a surface that you touch before touching yourself. Use a homotimers of the spikes glycoprotein to attach the virus to cellular membranes. Life and function found in can be found in camel, bats, and cats, and may involve in and infect people. Its main role is to attack mainly the respiratory system, but can also attack other organisms like nose, that causes and others. It is considered as a viral illness given the multiple organ dysfunction. Its symptoms is that it can cause a mid respiratory infection, common cold, and can lead to serious illness such as pneumonia. Common cold, fever, like like common symptoms would be fever, cough, tiredness, and um, and the loss of taste or smell. Less common symptoms are sore throat, headaches, aches, and pain, diarrhea, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes, red or irritated eyes. These severe symptoms to be aware of is difficulties breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech, motor skills, or a confusional state or chest pain. Contamination and protection. Um, COVID-19 can infect persons by spread person to person by an infected person, and it spread through coughing, sneezing, speaking, singing, or breathing. You should avoid the crowded areas or being close with the people. Uh, to, to, to protect ourselves from COVID, you should wear mask, vaccinate yourself, or wash your hands frequently with soap, water, or hand sanitizer. It was discovered in China, and the person who discovered it was a group of scientists from China, and it was discovered in December 2019. The history of COVID is that where in the world has it affected the people now and in the past? It has affected all the entire world and in all the countries since now. Um, how has this disease affected people now and in the past? It has affected countries like China. It still affects countries like China and others still. It has killed 642 million people, and it has infected 6.63 million of people since now. Science implication and treatments. How has science been applied to this disease? How effective has science been with COVID? Researchers investigated its biology and developed a diagnostic test. Scientists found several 94 effective vaccines after the second shot. It uh, it worked across all ages group. They used a innovative technique, the mRNA, and brought the pandemic under control. The mRNA is a vaccine that uses a part of the genetically um, genetically engineered mRNA. It gives cells instructions of how to make a S and protein to make antibodies. Type of vaccines: M messenger RNA, vector vaccine, and protein vaccine. Each of them works by the mRNA works by like develop, giving human cells instructions for how to make S proteins found on the surface of the COVID virus. It creates antibodies that will protect you if you get infected afterwards. The vector vaccine is a modified strain of a different virus containing COVID-19 virus genetically